The AKJ-F laser generator not only has higher photoelectric conversion efficiency, but also provides more stable optical quality to ensure a more stable and finer cutting effect. Heavy-duty fiber laser cutting machines can cut all types of metals. The maximum thickness of metal a laser can cut is determined by the laser source. 6 kW fiber laser cutting machine. The thickest theoretical limit for cutting brass is 11 mm, aluminum is 13 mm, carbon steel is 25 mm, and stainless steel is 16 mm.